I want to share with everyone a little CACG return that I received from the grading company CACG. And there are a couple coins that I purchased here over the counter, and one of them I purchased from a dealer and did really well, and the other one I kind of misfired on. I overlooked something, but there's a reason for that. So anyways, let's just take a look at these coins and I'll explain what I'm talking about. So my name is Daniel and you're watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. This is an 1857 Mint State 64 Flying Eagle, and this coin stuck out to me. Now, there's a little something on the holder. But anyways, it looked really nice. Now, I bought this from a dealer for around $1,000. And he sold it to me for the gray sheet for a 64, I think it was, something like that. It ended up being worth, around $24.50. Now, what it'll sell for is probably different. That is the high retail on this coin. But I did pretty good. Problem-free from CACG on basically a copper-based bronze type. It's copper and nickel, but when it comes to these kind of coins, a lot of them are questionable toning, questionable as far as the surfaces are concerned. So this one's pretty cool, really nice. Artificial toning is another issue. Then this one, I bought this. This is a better date, 3-cent silver. It's an 1855, and it is a beautiful coin. And I thought it would get mint state, and it ended up getting whizzed. I want to put it in a holder, and I think Annex is going to be the best bet for this. It is a better coin, so I will do that definitely. It does have die clash. I don't know if you can see that. See it a little bit. A little bit of the die clash there. It's just a nice coin overall, and I still think it's mint state. It's at least AU, high AU, if it is whizzed, to make it look like a higher grade. But anyways, I wanted to share that with everyone. And for those of you who are members, I sure do appreciate every one of you for joining my little community here, my YouTube channel. Hopefully you go over to my help community and take use of the help we provide over there, or even help people if you are interested in trying to help someone. Maybe you can offer some advice or assistance. That would be a great thing. So anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day.